Got an Audi Q5 2010. Hey, so middle seat won't go down of this 60-40 split. So this is with the mechanism locked. You push the button, nothing happens. To get it down for the first time with both seats here, you have to get in here to this hook and release. You have to push this way on this and release that guy. You have to push in there and it'll release that guy eventually. There we go. So I finally got the trim cover off, which was a challenge, but the key on this trim cover is to get in under here and lift up, and you'll see this spot right here is what catches. These things just slide into place. There's two down here as well, where my thumb is, and there. Those guys just slide up, but you've got to get this corner piece off first. So again, slide in right there. Down the mechanism, when I push the button, it doesn't release the latch. There's a little bar here. See that little hook right there? That's going to go up right into this little spot right there, and it's going to want to come out. So we're going to see if we can get it more permanently done, so that way when this latches, when this bar pulls up, makes it switch out. So we're going to see about tackling that. Okay, I got it back in. All I did was push this button down and it raised that mechanism, and the bar just pops into place. Just lift it with a screwdriver. The problem is it's going to want to come out a lot. So did that, push this back, and then bam, look, it's already come out again. So what's the fix? That's the challenge. It just wants to pop right out of that spot right there. All right, mine has all this fabric, like this felt right around this bar. It's hard to see, but I just shoved it back up in there. It's not a wonderful solution, but it's stayed every time I've done it. I've done it about 10 times now. So hopefully that works for you.